Channel. So today I'm here with a new video with respect to IBPSPO prelims self-given exam analysis. So today my exam was in the fourth shift. One second. So it was in fourth shift, that is 4:30 to 5:30. Okay. So totally there were four shifts, and I did not see the reviews of the previous ones and all, but I just saw the first shift review, and it was like it was easy, so it was doable. So today I'll discuss my review. So how was the examination? Because usually IBPSPO, as the name, as you say the name, you feel like it will be a bit difficult as compared to the other exam because it is of officer level. But this time, since the vacancies are more, it's around 10,000 as per the expectations of many teachers, so it can be high. So the exam level was also a bit easy, I would say, according to me. This is my personal opinion, so that to modify or moderate the cutoff level. Okay, so I'll now directly go into the subjects and discuss about each of them. Okay. First, speaking about English, so I have attempted 27 on 30. So English was very easy. So whoever is strong in English, they would have done it very comfortably. So with respect to the RC, reading comprehension, so there were 8 to 9 questions, and here it was not lengthy. It was just 2 or 3 paragraphs. Okay, but the thing was, it was a bit philosophical. So like you would feel a bit difficult to understand the type of passage, and also to the type of questions, and also the twisted options. So the options were a bit twisted. So it was, it's not like reading the passage and ticking a correct option. No, you have to read it, understand it, and understand the options also, and then only tick it. So it was the level of English. And apart from that, there were parajumbled sentences where 6 sentences were given and you had to do it. So if you had used a bit of common sense also, then you could have easily solved it. And there are 5 identifying the errors. So I did only 2 on this. I did not get the remaining 3. And shuffling, so like shuffling A to B, B to C. So there were 6 questions, and I did these 6 questions in 2 minutes itself, so it was easy. Okay, one second. Yeah. So, and apart from this, I would rather say like almost all the questions from English were easy, so nothing to worry about that. Okay, next, coming into quantity aptitude. So in quantity aptitude, what I did was I used my intelligence and I did the simplification first. So there are 5 questions, quadratic equation second. There are 5 questions. So out of this, I did 10. So I guess all the 10 will be correct. If else, or 9 will be at least correct. Okay. So apart from this, then I went into DI. Okay, one day was straight, where 2000, it was a bar graph, where 2 years were given with respect to 4 years were given with respect to two companies, and you had to note down the data and then solve the questions. So see, the trick they are using in DI is that the DI will be given simple, but the questions that will be present will be very lengthy, so you have to calculate a lot from this, so you can't get directly the answer. So usually before and all, they would used to ask like average of ABD in 2016. Yes, there will be questions also like this also. It will be 1 or 2 maximum. So at least 3 will be difficult in the sense it will be lengthy. So you have to take more calculations and then only solve it. Okay. So and the second DI, the first with respect to the table, where two companies were given, and apart from this, it was like number of thing manufactured and percentage of the thing sold, and the same in the year also with respect to 4 years, 1 2 3 4. And with respect to this also, like the questions were lengthy in nature, so you had to use your mind and do it quickly, since you have to solve many questions. Okay, so there were no number series. So in my fourth shift, there were no number series, so it was a bit shocking for me. Then there was one caselet. It was based on Venn diagram, so I was not sure about this. So I got to know I'll not do this, so I skipped it instantly as I saw the question. So it was good thing for me to skip it. So this was with respect to the DIs. And the normal arithmetic thing, I did one partnership on boards and streams, and I did on ages. Okay, so I guess, yeah, only these 3 I did, and the remaining thing I skipped it. So my total attempts in quantity aptitude was 23 on 35. Okay, Now come to the reasoning section. So reasoning section, it was very easy, but I did some mistakes here. Okay, so first I did all the miscellaneous things like the inequalities and syllogism. Okay, I skipped the family, birth, sorry, blood relation. This is big. One second. Yeah, I skipped the blood relation part because I did not get the answer. So instead of wasting time, I skipped it because it was a bit tricky. Then I went into the puzzles. So there were many puzzles. There were 9 floors, 987 with single variable. So I did this easily. I got the answer. And the second one was one second, I'll remember it. Yeah, there were 5 people, A, B, C, D, E, like 1 2 3 4 5, and these 5 people bought a different TV, refrigerator or laptop like this. So you had to take 3 possibilities for this question. With the 2 possibilities, you are like unable to solve the answer. So with 3 possibilities you could have done it. Okay, and the next puzzle was 8 people sitting in rows with one more variable like the their favorite color, I guess. But the thing is, I did not do this. I skipped this because I got to know that this takes more time. So instead of wasting time in this, so I skipped this. So one more thing, there were uncertain number of people in a row. It was, I got the answer as 15 in this row, and I got the full answer. So in one more question, there were 10 people with 5 months and 2 dates. I don't know the date and all. So this was also single variable. But the problem was, as while getting the clues from the computer to my paper, there was one clue like A was immediately above C, I guess. A was immediately above C, but while writing, I wrote it as C was immediately above A. So this one mistake caused me the whole 5 minutes. So because 3 minutes, in 3 minutes itself, I would have solved it, but again I scratched it. Again I wrote it, and in again while writing, I used 2 more minutes, but eventually I was not able to get the final answer. So out of 5, I was able to solve one or two itself, 1 or 2 questions in this puzzle. So these 1 or 2 was it was accurate thing, but the other 3 was, it was not accurate, so I skipped it. So in my reasoning section, the attempts was 23 or 24. Okay, I don't remember this. Okay, or else if I had done that puzzle also, I would have reached that 28, at least 28. But it's okay. So my total attempts was 74 on 100. So let us count now. English 27, Quants 23, or 24 to 50. Yeah, 24 reasoning, Quants, English. So this was my overall analysis, and I would say the fourth shift was easy. So whoever has judiciously prepared for this examination by giving good amount of mocks and practices, then yes, this was your day. Okay, I know like some people might not accept this because they might have felt it difficult, but this is my personal opinion, and you can put your opinion in the comment section also. Okay, so in the results will come out in 20 days, and the cutoff. So last time it was 51 on 100. I guess I'm not sure about the number. It was around 51. So I can say since the paper was easy and the vacancies are very more, it will get moderated up to 55 or to 60 maximum. See, 55 plus is a difficult thing, so it can be around 50 to 55 itself. See, this is just a prediction. I'm not a VPS to give you an exact number, so I'm just predicting it. Okay. So I guess this is the complete analysis. If you like the video, please like it and share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. That's all for today. Thank you.